Josh McDaniels, why do you feel you are the right guy to run the offense for the St. Louis Rams? Because I'm the hot prospect as reported by Michael Lombardi. And everybody listens to Michael Lombardi. What about the disastrous 2 seasons as head coach of the Denver Broncos? Again with the Broncos. Why does everyone keep bringing up the Denver Broncos? Well, you did single-handedly ruin their franchise and set them back a few years by taking a team that had a high-ranked offense with a struggling veteran defense, yet you only revamped the offense. Then you were trading away draft picks and pro bowlers like they were baseball cards, and then you were caught cheating again and still ended up losing to the team you tried to cheat on. I was with the New England Patriots though. I studied under Bill Belichick. I made Tom Brady the quarterback he is now, and made Kyle Orton look like a pro bowler. Tom Brady is having his best season ever right now without you. And Kyle Orton padded his stance in garbage time. Meaning that when the team was down by 13 or more points, the opposing team would usually go to a prevent defense, letting him throw the ball around a bit, yet when the team was down by 7 or less he would choke on it. He would choke on it hard. Yay, but I was with New England, and am the hot prospect as reported by Michael Lombardi. And everybody listens to Michael Lombardi. I think we were just about done here. Wait, I got a great idea. How about we trade Sam Bradford and 2 high draft picks for Kyle Orton? Get the fuck out of my office, you dipshit.